My name is Nikki, and today we're doing Curious Kids, and we're going to talk about weather. So we're going to do a couple experiments about weather and learn about the water cycle. So the water cycle is the cycle that water on Earth goes through. So you have water that's on the ground or in lakes and oceans that gets heated by the sun and turned into gas particles, and those go up into the sky and they form clouds. And those clouds will actually get too heavy when they have too much water in them, and they'll turn into rain. And the rain goes back down onto the ground and goes back into the puddles or the lakes and then gets evaporated all over again. So the first experiment we're going to do is we're going to make rain clouds. So you need a clear cup or glass or jar that's filled almost all the way up with water, some shaving cream, and some food coloring. So once you've shaken up your shaving cream really well, we're just going to add that to our jar. And we want to cover all over the top. Our shaving cream is not very fluffy today, so that's okay. So now that your shaving cream is in your jar or your cup, you're going to add the rain or the water that's in the clouds. So this is a cloud before it has too much water, before it's too heavy. And we're going to add the water that makes it too heavy. So you're just going to go ahead and put a few drops in. Oh, and you can see it's already coming through because my shaving cream wasn't very fluffy today, which means my cloud was already very full. You can see the water just comes right through, and that's what makes rain. And sometimes when it rains, it also thunders, and that's called a thunderstorm. So a thunderstorm is where the warm air meets cold air, and it makes really loud noises, and sometimes you'll see lightning, and you'll have a lot of rain. And sometimes with thunderstorms, you'll also have tornadoes. So we're going to go ahead and make a tornado in this jar here. So you'll need another jar or something that will have a lid to it, and water, and just a little bit of soap. So we're going to use 1 drop of soap. And that is enough. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but it's enough. And we are going to take our lid and put it on. So a tornado is a cyclone of wind. So it's wind that's going around and around and around in a circle really, really fast. So we're going to go ahead and try and make that in our jar. And you can see just that little bit of soap we put in is already making bubbles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my jar and I'm going to try and spin it around and around and around in circles until we have a cyclone formed. And when we stop, we can see that it's still spinning, and you can see the inside of the water spinning, and I don't think I was getting it fast enough to make a cyclone. So let's do it again. All right. So you can see a little bit we had the cyclone. I know it's a little cloudy now, but you'll just have to try this one at home to see it better. So those are our weather experiments. If you have any questions, feel free to stop by the library and see us.